Hi student, in this particular problem, as you've seen in the screen, we are going to find out the length of the altitude of an equilateral triangle where the side length is 2m. This particular problem is appeared in 2020 section A and fill in the blanks type of problem. Let's go ahead and solve the problem. So here ABC is an equilateral triangle with side 2a. So first we consider the triangle ABC, which is equilateral. Now as the side length is 2a, therefore ABBCCA will be all equal to 2a. Now what is altitude? Altitude means that we have to find out the length of the perpendicular from one vertex to the opposite side. So that's why here we drop a perpendicular AP from A to BC. Now it is obvious that P should be the midpoint of BC. That's the properties of equilateral triangle, or you can say isosceles triangle. Now, as P is the midpoint, so therefore BP and PC must be equal to 1 by 2 of BC, and that's why it's A. Now our aim is to find the altitude. So here the altitude is AP. So therefore we need to calculate that. So that's why we assume AP is equal to H. Now, obviously, the triangle ABP is a right angle triangle because AP is perpendicular to BC. So therefore, we use the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Says that the hypotenuse square must be equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. So therefore, here AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square must be equal to AP plus BB whole square. Like AP square plus BP square. Now, all the values is known. So let's put it in. So AB is 2a, so therefore its 2a whole square must be equal to h square plus a square. Let's simplify that. So h square is equal to 4a square minus a square, which gives me that 3a square, and hence h is root 3a. Now h is positive, obviously, so that's why we'll say that the altitude is root 3a, and that's it. Now this particular problem can also be solved using equating the area. For example, you can try. So let's discuss that. So here we know that area of the triangle of a equilateral triangle is always equal to root 3 by 4a square. And the area of the triangle from the figure is 1 by 2 BC into the height AP. So what is 1 by 2 AC? That's A and H. So therefore AH is equal to root 3 by 4a square. So if we go ahead in this process, right, and put appropriate values, right, now see that I said root 3 by 4a square. So here A will be 2a. So based on that, if we calculate, again we calculate the H or the altitude. So whatever method you like, you can proceed with that. That's it. Hope you understood the problem.